In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. Whether you're gathering feedback, collecting data, or creating surveys, knowing how to use forms in Monday.com can be a game changer for your workflow. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Monday.com by opening your web browser and entering the URL. Once there, locate the login option prominently displayed on the homepage and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll have multiple options to sign in. For this guide, let's proceed by clicking on the Google icon. From there, select your Google account to log into your Monday.com dashboard seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, let's explore how to create a form. Look to the left panel of your dashboard. You'll notice a plus icon there. Go ahead and click it. This is your gateway to adding new features and integrations, and today we're focusing on forms. Once you click the plus icon, an arrow labeled Form will appear. Click on that, and you'll be presented with the option to start with a template. Let's choose Start with Template to keep things simple and efficient. Once you've selected this option, a range of templated forms will be available for you to browse through. These templates are designed to cater to diverse needs, whether you're managing projects or collecting feedback. Find one that suits your requirements and click on Use Template. Now you've imported a form template into your workspace. With your template in place, it's time to customize it to fit your specific needs. Click on Edit Form to begin this process. As you do this, you'll discover three main areas in the middle of your screen: Edit, Design, and Settings. These are your primary tools for tailoring your form. Start with the Design section to give your form a unique look. This is where you can modify fonts, colors, and layout to ensure your form is visually appealing and aligned with your brand or project aesthetics. After finalizing your design, navigate to Settings. This section allows you to configure vital details like response collection, notifications, and privacy settings, ensuring your form operates precisely as you intend. Once you're satisfied with both the design and settings, it's time to share your form. You can do this by clicking on the Share Form option. This will provide you with a link or an embed code, which you can then distribute according to your needs. And there you have it. Your form is now live and ready for use. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to create and customize a form in Monday.com, but have also equipped yourself with a powerful tool to streamline your data collection processes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical guides like this.